हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पेंटिंग्स देखेंगे जो कि मेरे A3 साइज़ के पेंटिंग्स हैं, जो कि आप कह सकते हैं कि छोटे साइज़ के पेंटिंग्स हैं, बिकॉज़ ये फुल इम्पेरियल का आधा आधा होता है। सो 40 सेंटीमीटर्स बाय 30 सेंटीमीटर्स की पेंटिंग्स हैं, बट ये बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल साइज़ है क्योंकि आप कभी भी एक बैग में आ जाता है। और जब भी हम बाहर कहीं पे प्लेन एयर करने जाते हैं तो यही वो साइज़ है जो यूजुअली लोग पेंट करते हैं। नॉट ओनली मी, ऑल द आर्टिस्ट अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। आपको बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के पेपर्स भी यही साइज़ में बहुत आसानी से मिल जाते हैं। एंड इसमें क्या है, इसको जब आप फ्रेम करते हैं तो ये हल्का सा बड़ा हो जाता है, तो एक एवरेज घर में फ्रेम करने के लिए सबसे सूटेबल रहता है। तो ज़्यादा समय न गंवाते हुए चलिए मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा मेरे A3 साइज़ के पेंटिंग्स, जो कि मैंने अच्छे से कोलेट करके 3 पोर्टफोलियो बैग्स में संभाल के रखे हैं। चलिए। So friends, let's take a look at the paintings that are done in A3 size, and all these are mostly watercolor paintings, 99% of them. So starting from a scene from Kolkata, this is taken from Achintya sir's photo reference. Then we have this beautiful Betab Valley from Kashmir. This was painted live in Kashmir, in the Betab Valley in Pahalgam. Okay. Then we have this yet another painting of the Pahalgam Valley. However, this was done from photo. This is a Mandalan village, which is a village near Aru Valley in Kashmir. This is the painting of Aru Valley, and this is painted from a hotel called the Snow Peak Hotel, and from there the view is like this. So you have the mountains and there is a house here, and there are the pine trees over here, so it looks very beautiful. Then we have this painting which is done live at Srinagar downtown, which is the old town of Srinagar. All these houses are actually constructed out of stone and wood. Very beautiful location to paint. This is the Lidar Valley in Pahalgam. There's a Lidar river which bifurcates and branches into many tributaries. This is the morning time when the sunlight falls on this mountain range. It glows like mirror, and then this is the second layer, which is very light color, and then it starts getting darker and becomes very dark over here. Then we have a nice painting over here. So there are paintings on this side also, so which I will show later on. So this is the painting of a house from Kashmir. Then we have a nice rainy season landscape from Hyderabad. So this is the Charminar, and when it rains in Charminar, it looks something close to like this. Then we have a scene of mahua picking. Mahua fruits are used for making country liquor in Jharkhand and Orissa. So also in Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. So these women are picking up mahua flower and mahua fruit. And this is a scene from Watercolor, also painted live, plein air. This is a painting of a scene in Jabalpur, from Jabalpur. So when we went to Kanha, so on the way, this is the scenery. This is a scenery taken from the internet and has been executed kind of a practice work. This is a very huge tree that is there in my hometown Rourkela. This is near the banks of River Coil. So this is the road which goes to the Coil River, and you have two huge trees. This one is very big. You can see the scale of the tree by the size of the people and the bicycles, etc. Then you have this painting of the boat and everything from Goa. This is the area where the milkmen or the gwalas they stay. So very simple setup, houses and all. This is also in Rourkela. This one is from Hyderabad. It is very close to where I stay in Hyderabad. Then you have very nice and very loose kind of boat painting done in watercolor. So you have a distant water body and the color of the sky is being reflected here. Then you have two boats lying beautifully. This is again the Pahalgam area, and you have the Litter river flowing. Very beautiful setup, nice place to paint. This is also painted live on location. And then you have this painting wherein the sky is completely melting away and it's pouring heavily on this portion. So basically it's a wet on wet kind of painting. This was demonstrated in one of my classes online. So thank you. Now I will show you the other side of this book. So basically the book has two sides, one this side and another is this side. So now I will reverse it. So let's start seeing the book from another side. So this is the first painting that you would see, which is a scene from Bundi, Rajasthan. So you have this small gully, जिसके चारों तरफ से there are houses and everything, trees hai, and then you have a nice auto rickshaw and two people, one man and one lady standing over there, so creating a very nice effect overall. Then we will go to this painting. So earlier you saw a similar painting, which is this. So this is basically the same scene but seen from a little distance, from a different perspective. Then this is another scene which is from the Betab Valley, the place where Betab film was shot, वहाँ पे. Then you have another view of the Pahalgam, wherein Pahalgam is also known as the capital of sheeps, because you have so many sheep, right? So the people, they raise all kind of sheep there, so for wool and everything. So this scene is depicting that. Then you have another scene from Kashmir, Pahalgam. Then you have another scene from the Aru Valley. So this is a very nice painting. Personally I like this because of the beautiful soft snow peak mountains here, and the dark kind of vegetation out here, and the beautiful lighting on the houses. So this is a tin house and this is a wooden house, half wooden and half stone house. Then we have this painting of the Srinagar Dal Lake. Very beautiful place to paint, man, trust me. Then we have this beautiful location in the downtown, which is called the Bori Kadal area, and very nice place to paint watercolor live in the downtown area. This is another scene of Kashmir where the river is flowing by. Then you have another scene of Hyderabad during rain. Here you saw another painting. Here you saw the same same composition, same reference, same everything done in two different ways. If I could show you, there are two different paintings, but done in two different styles, two different quality of paper as well. Now let's move ahead and see this painting, which is again from Rourkela, which is my hometown, and this is from the nearby village. You see a tractor being parked over here, and you see a bolero which is parked over here, and this is a typical village house with some hen and everything. Then you have this beautiful painting of the Koel river, again from Rourkela. Nice village kind of setting with beautiful reflection of these people trying to cross the river. This river doesn't have a lot of water. It's a small stream. Then you have this painting which is from Munnar, Kerala. Then you have this painting from Kashmir once again. This is a township, typical township house from Rourkela. So Rourkela, being a steel city, has these small houses, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom houses, which are given to the employees. So it looks very similar to something like this, a lot of greenery. Then you have a scene from Bundi. This is painted keeping in mind that we get to see the nice glow of the sunlight and everything with the dark shadows as contrast. This painting is from Belgaum, Karnataka. So this is the Belgaum's fish market, fish and non-veg market. So I took a picture when I visited there, and I have painted this in my studio. This is the painting of the Banasura Sagar Dam in Kerala, in Wayanad. So what a lovely place. This is again painted in Anantnag in Kashmir, near a hotel where we had some food. This is a painting which is done on a reference image from internet. This is basically from Rajasthan. And then the final painting is this scene, this street scene that we have. Hope you liked all my works in this book. So just let me quickly run you through. So it looks like this, then this, then this, then this. I showed you both the views. Now I am showing you how it exactly looks to me. Because I am capturing in a video, I have to show you one by one. Otherwise you will not get to know how it looks properly. It will not be seen properly. So right now I am just showing you, if you flip pages, how would it look. दोस्तों, मैं आशा करता हूं कि मेरा काम आपको पसंद आया होगा. यू वुड हैव लाइक्ड माय वर्क. हाउएवर, एक चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि मेरे A3 साइज की काफी पेंटिंग्स है, अराउंड 3 बुक्स विच इज क्लोज टू 150-160 ऑड पेंटिंग्स. तो ये सारे पेंटिंग्स को एक ही वीडियो में कवर करना बहुत मुश्किल है. सो ये जो वीडियो है ये यहीं तक रहा. अभी नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा वो दूसरे बुक के ऊपर रहेगा, वेयर आई विल शो यू ऑल द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ A3 पेंटिंग्स दैट आई हैव डन. तो उसमें मोस्टली सारे वाटर कलर ही रहेंगे, एंड दोज विल बी ऑफ द सिटीस्केप्स दैट आई हैव डन. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए मैं आपको यहीं पे बाय बाय कर देता हूं. सो मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.